We recently converted this BMW S1000RR into a full carbon panel motorcycle. We actually chose the Ilmberger Carbon product from all the choices that were available. And those are the products that you see fitted on some of the high-end Ducatis and BMWs that are available today. Now, it's not cheap, that's for sure. It would cost around about $12,000 Australian to convert a bike with a full carbon panel kit like you see on this motorcycle. Regardless of that, what I wanted to do in this video is explain to you why we went to carbon rather than paint the motorcycle. Reason number one is the stunning looks you get when you fit carbon panels, particularly when you have high quality options like what we've got here with the Ilmberger Carbon. And I don't know anyone who doesn't drool over this motorcycle when they see it, because it's a pretty special thing, and as I said, it's stunning. Reason number two is you can do low-cost colour changes to the motorcycle. You don't have to go and paint it. You could just get a sticker kit, you could put stickers on here, you could put some sort of theme, and it wouldn't cost a lot of money to change the theme rather than paint the entire motorcycle. Reason number three is the weight reduction that you get. I used to think this was the primary reason race teams put these carbon panels on race bikes, but it's not necessarily true. In this particular case though, you do get a weight reduction, and we got around about 2 kilogram weight reduction, but that included the attachment of frame protection and swing arm protection. We probably would have got closer to 3 kilograms weight saving had we not installed those. Reason number four is protection for what's actually underneath the panels. That would include electronic componentry, parts of the motor, dashboard, etc. This is one of the primary reasons why race teams fit carbon panels to high-end race bikes. Carbon has an extremely high resistance to abrasion, and that's what gives this protection to the things that are underneath the panels on the motorcycle. Way more protection than you would get with plastic and polycarbonates. Reason number five is easy replacement of the panels. So if you buy a high-end brand like we've got here with Ilmberger, then if you drop the bike, you damage a panel, you simply go online, you buy a new panel, it gets shipped to you, and then it bolts straight on and it will look like the original one. Super easy. Why do we choose Ilmberger Carbon over all of the other options that were actually out there? Well, we had three reasons. Number one was the quality of the fit. We bought every single panel we could buy for this motorcycle. There's no longer any plastic panels on it. And you would think with so many panels, there would be problems installing some of them. Well, we had one little hole where we had to expand it to get the screw in. Other than that, the panels fitted perfectly. They connected and joined to each other in a way that showed they'd put a lot of consideration into the design and structure and the way that they actually manufactured these. Number two, the quality of the finish. The quality of the finish of Ilmberger Carbon is second to none. And the thing that really struck me is not only the gloss finish, but they give consideration when they make these to the direction of the weave. The weave is symmetrical on both sides of the motorcycle, so they match each other, even though they're separate panels. And in some cases where the panels join, the weave flows into the weave of the next panel. And like I said, they've given consideration to that whole symmetry around the weave, and it's a pretty special outcome. The third thing is when they come, they take a lot of care with the individual panels. They come individually wrapped in its own little blue bag, and each of the panels comes with an instruction booklet. So there's a lot of thought put into not only the quality and the finish, but the user or end user experience when you actually buy an Ilmberger Carbon product. So there you have it. That's my opinion about carbon and all the reasons why we went to carbon. Nothing to do but go and ride it, and I'll see you on track.